Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 7 national parks within driving distance of New York City. So let's start my video. Summary. Some of the best American national parks are within a 1 or 2 day drive from NYC. Acadia National Park in Maine offers a blend of seashore forests and mountains within an 8-hour drive. Shenandoah National Park in Virginia is the closest national park to NYC, offering breathtaking views and hiking trails. New York City is by far the most vibrant urban metropolis in the United States. Between them, New York's five boroughs have enough hosting restaurants and tourist attraction to keep both permanent resident and visitor entertained for years. But sometimes the busy world of the major city can get bit much after a will event for people who are living there after spending some time in the hostel and bustle of New York City. Many travelers may start longing for the great outdoors. The United States is famous for its incredible national parks and the breathtaking experiences that they offer, but so many of the country's most famous national parks are far away out west. Residents of New York City may assume that these wonders are beyond reach without expensive plane tickets, rental cars, hotels, and other costs associated with a major trip. But in reality, NYC residents don't need to plan an expensive week-long vacation to experience some of the country's best national parks. Some of the best American national parks are within an easy 2 or 2 day drive from America's largest metropolis. Here are 7 of the best American national parks within driving distance of New York City. Shenandoah National Park, 5-hour drive from New York City, 299 miles. Virginia Shenandoah National Park is the closest national park to New York City. Despite its location south of the Massachusetts line and New Yorkers who make the 5.6-hour drive south will be glad they did. Located within the Shenandoah Valley of the larger Appalachian mountain range. Shenandoah National Park stretches regularly 17 miles south through some of the most beautiful hills and valley of the eastern United States. Shenandoah centerpiece is the aptly named Skyline Drive, which takes drivers on an enhancing tour of the Shenandoah Valley, while passing dozens of prime lookout spots along the way. The park also has numerous excellent hiking trails, camping sites, and backpacking opportunities, all perfect for New Yorkers who want to get the most out of nature. Most visitors from New York will enter the park at its northern entrance near the town of Front Royal, Virginia. Front Royal is only about an hour's drive west of Washington DC, which means that road trippers coming from New York will have plenty of opportunities to expand their trip with sports stops in the nation capital. Entrance fee $30 per vehicle. Operating hour open 24 hours. Cuyahoga Valley National Park, 7-hour drive from New York City, 440 miles. When looked at on a Camp Ohio, Cuyahoga Valley may seem like a somewhat unlikely spot for a national park. The area lies between the major cities of Cleveland and Akron and the Surrounding miles of farmland and small towns don't suggest the pristine wildlands called be hiding there, but Kyoyoga Valley National Park is unique among the 63 parks maintained by the National Park Service. This particular park does not only offer visitors natural beauty and outdoor activities, thought it certainly has plenty of both. It also preserves engaging historical sites that provide a living snapshot of real American history. The park was designed to preserve much of the forest landscape along Ohio Cuyahoga River. This in and of itself it is a triumph of America's entire national park services. Earlier in the 20th century, this region suffered from navy pollution and contam- contamination from industrial development. The Cuyahoga River itself is somewhat infamous for catching fire due its population levels, but thanks to recent restoration work, the Cuyahoga Valley is once again a symbol of the Midwest national beauty. Visitors from New York can take advantage of several excellent hiking and biking trails brought out the park, including some that take visitors right up to park famous Brandywine Falls. Reading can also experience rebuilt 19th century homes street charming antique covered bridges and restored 19th century looks and dams from the Ohio and Erie Canal, one of the early America's biggest infrastructure project that made westward expansion possible. Entrance fee free. Operating hours open 24 hours. Acadia National Park 8 to 9 hour drive from New York City, 485 miles. New Yorkers are already familiar with the classic road trip up to New England to experience the national beauty of the northern United States. Following this, New England and New only national park offers just such natural splendor within a single day's drive from the Big Apple. Thought it is a bit future north than standard New England destinations in Connecticut and Massachusetts. Menu Acadia National Park is well worth the regularly 8 hours road trip from New York City. Located among the Iceland boating mines Atlantic coastlines, Acadia National Park has the perfect blend of particulates, social enhancing, enchanting forest and even splendid mountain summits. The park Cadillac Mountain is the highest point among the American Atlantic coastline. New Yorkers can spend a day or two exploring the park's many wonderful hiking trails, mysterious seaside curves, and breathtaking lookout spots. Plus, lucky visitors might also encounter some of the park native wildlife, including moose, bears, foxes, whales, and puffins. Entrance fee $85 per vehicle. Operating hour open 25 hours. New River Gorge National Park and Preserve 8 to 9 hour drive from New York City, 522 miles. West Virginia's New River Gorge National Park and Preserve is America's newest national park, but New Yorkers should let that destination fool them. This park has just as much national beauty and outdoor activities as national parks that have been established for decades. New River Gorge National Park and Preserve Mountains, the Nemask Gorge covered carved by the New River as it winds its way toward West Virginia's Appalachian Mountains. Ironically, the New River is one of the oldest rivers in the world and has been slowly but steadily curving incredible valleys and canyons thought the Appalachians for millions of years. Today, visitors to New Rivers Gorge National Park and Preserve will experience what is arguably America's most beautiful mountain canyon east of the Mississippi River. In addition to its miles of memorable hiking trails, New River Gorge is also an excellent spot for whitewater rafting, so New Yorkers who don't mind getting a bit wet can brave the New River rapids and get some of the most unique views of the surrounding gorge. Entrance fee free. Operating hours open 25 hours. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. 11 hours drive from New York City, 699 miles. Great Smoky Mountain National Park is perhaps the most famous national park in the eastern United States, lying along the border between Tennessee and North California. The park preserves the world famous Great Smoky Mountain. This mountain earned their memorable name thanks to the smoky fog that often surround each each peak, but they also feature many of the highest and most beautiful mountains in the entire Appalachian mountain range. Drivers from New York can make a 1 or 2 day road trip down south to experience these majestic mountains in person. Travelers can either drive to the Tennessee side of the park and experience the major resort cities of Penguin, Forge, and Gatlinburg, or else to go to the North Caroline, Carolina side and have a more low-key but no less memorable stay in the small North Carolina town of Karaoke, located on the river section of the eastern band of Cherokee Indians. From either side, drivers can quickly trip to Newfound Gap Road, the main entry that wind throughout the entire park. On this route, they can drive their car up some of the highest points in the eastern United States, including the park's crown jewel, Kleinman's Dome, and its 360-degree observation tower. New Yorkers who visit the park might also experience some of the park furrier residents. After all, Great Smoky Mountain National Park is believed to have the largest population of black bears everywhere east of the Mississippi. Entrance fee free. Operating hours open 24 hours. Indiana Dunes National Park. 11 to 12 hour drive from New York City, 737 miles. Everyone who has made the road trip from New York to Chicago has likely passed to by Indiana Dunes National Park, located near the city of Gray, Indiana. Indiana Dunes National Park is a stunning lakeshore along the southern coast of Lake Michigan, one of the North America's Great Lakes. Given this prime location, the park itself features alluring beaches open for public swimming or romantic lakeside walk. The landscape surrounding the park also features extensive hiking trails that provide worthwhile towers of the creek and marshes that feed from Lake Michigan. But as its name suggests, the true allure of Indiana Dunes National Park is its collection of massive dunes lying directly along the lake shores. Thanks to the lake geological history of glaciation, ab- abundant sand, high wind, and relatively flat landscape. This part of Lake Michigan's shoreline has developed large dunes that extend almost 200 feet into the air from the surrounding beaches. Visitors from New York can even try their luck at climbing one of these massive dunes, and it they can manage to get a fine farm footing in the constantly shifting and sinking sands. They can get some of the best views of the Great Lakes anywhere in North America. On clear days, the Chicago skyline is even visible on the other side of the lake. Elsewhere in the park, visitors can explore the park's unique ecosystem with an intensive hike, or those looking to relax after a long drive can simply chill at the park clean and well maintained beaches. Entrance fee to $25 per vehicle. Operating hours 6 hour to 11 p.m. 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Kongari National Park, 12-hour drive from New York City, 552 miles. New Yorkers who don't mind driving even farther south can experience one of the true hidden gems of the southern United States. South Carolina's Kongari National Park is not quite as well known as other national parks. Is the area like the Great Smoky Mountains or Everglades National Park. However, travelers who are lucky enough to visit can enjoy a unique and enhancing environment without dealing with many of the crowds that often affect other parks. Kangari National Park preserves the country's largest expanse of old growth bottomland hardwood forest. While this may sound like a highly technical destination that world only interests scientists, it refers to a unique environment formed by evergreen hardwood trees that grow from large floodplain. The floodplains in central South Carolina created a unique soil composition that allows iconic flora like cypress, gum trees, and oak to flourish. The result is a biome found in a few other places on Earth, and one of the most memorable outdoor excursions anyone can hope to experience. Visitors to Kangari from New York can experience this once in a lifetime ecosystem thought the park's expensive hiking trails, well maintained bridges and pathways, and educational opportunities. The park location within a low lying floodplain also offers many opportunities for canoeing, kayaking, and fishing within its numerous creeks. Entrance fee free. Operating hours ओपन 24 आवर्स। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।